Here is a pure dating app. So let's just take a look if you haven't used it before. So this is different kind of apps. This is dating app, but it's not Tinder. Pure dating app is mostly like for casual dating. So I guess this is not an app if you're looking for long term relationship or stuff like that. That's just what it is. But it's getting a lot of traction recently. There were a lot of apps in this category, but this one is if one of the top rising ones. However, you can't use it for free. You need only to upgrade to be able to use, as I understand. So I just upgraded just to show you how basically it works. So here is the app. You just create your account. You just add some photos similar as on Tinder. You can add some photos here. Then basically turn on, so you can add basically things which are turning you on. Then you just add in what are you looking for. Long-term relationships, not boring, all of the things like that. So yeah, then you can just add it your profile. You can add all of this information. You can preview your profile in the feed. So that's basically how you create your account, and you don't need to pay for that. So that's kind of free. But then how it works, you need to post your ad. So ad is just basically your post which is added in the feed. Feed is just similar to Twitter feed or Facebook feed. And to post your ad in the feed, you need to upgrade. So this app is quite expensive, whether you need to use it for a week or for a month. But then this is the feed. This is how it looks like in the here in the app. This is just like people add in some photo and then just add in some text. And a lot of people obviously just looking here for some casual stuff. This is just the focus of the app. And then in the top right, you can just filter out, add some different filters. People who are online, like all of the stuff here. And then you just can like the message. You can send a diamond. If you can hide an ad, you can block, you can report. And yeah, that's how you have chats, and then you can just chat. Then you can also become an incognito mode. So one hat 24 hours become invisible. You can hide your ad, browse unseen, and chat and appear offline. So you can do that, and you need to pay additional price obviously to become incognito mode, where you can just get it for like one hat is 24 hours for around $1. This is just a price in Danish krona. But yeah, that's just what you have here. And then become king. That's like when you can promote your post to the top of the feed. So basically you just can buy ad for your feed, and then you will get more messages and more chat requests. Yeah, so that's the app. So this part I don't understand. Want to save chats from the game, so you can save chats. So yeah, another thing is like there are some games here which you can play as well. So that's the additional thing, and then you can just play the games here. And I think, of course, this app is just being located according to your location services. So the people in the feed are just around your location, so you need to give access to location in this app. So that's the idea, basically. Casual dating app. And then if you wanted to delete your account, just tap in the settings in top left. You have general, you have your account ID, and then you can just tap delete account here in the bottom left. Some point you can also change the theme. You can change how you see metrics, how you see sensitive content, how you see you can always reach out to the contact support. Then there is some FAQ, how to register. You can see some details. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Um, you can add the ad feed. You can see ads from other locations. You can, so yeah, all of the things like that you can just read in the FAQs. Sometimes your ad can be deleted. Um, so this app claims that this is a safe app. It says, firstly, in Pure, everything is anonymous. Photos, videos, and chats cannot be copied, saved, or screenshotted. Can be easily deleted. Just select clear history in the chat menu and enjoy a fresh start. Done talking will delete all chats when you leave chat. You can also send self-destruction photos. You can filter likes. So yeah, all of the things like that, video and audio chats. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So yeah, that's the app. Basically, it's getting a lot of traction recently. So yeah, but again, you need to upgrade to use the app because it doesn't work. It doesn't work for free, basically. Anyhow, that's the idea. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial of the app, and yeah, thanks for watching.